Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you remember, a few weeks ago we talked about a utility called CPU-Z or CPU-Z that is software that's downloaded a lot by enthusiasts. And the website was hacked, and the links to the download was changed, and it actually downloaded malware to PCs. Well, we got a similar situation with another tool that a lot of people use, JDownloader. If you are one of those that uses this JDownloader um, aggregator or manager, sorry, this is a warning because on May the 6th or 7th, the website has been compromised. And actually, if you go to the website for the first time in the last few days, you now get a warning that, the website was hacked and the website was compromised. So, what they are saying is that if you downloaded the JDownloader, at that time, you might have downloaded malware on your computer. The good news is that most people that have talked about it and have mentioned it say that the Windows Smart Screen filter from the Windows Security app actually detected that the file has something wrong with it and that it should maybe not be downloaded. So that at least is good. It was detected by the Windows Security app. And so just a quick warning, if you download if you have the JDownloader, for the past few weeks, you don't have to worry. It's really just a very short period of time at the beginning of this month of May, mostly May 6th and 7th. They quite quickly found that, the links were changed, probably after a lot of users complained that their antivirus maybe had detected something. So just a quick warning in case you have been one of those that downloaded this in the last few days. Now everything's back to normal, so if you go and download it now, it's fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.